Hey everyone, and welcome. In this recipe review, I'm making a classic cherry delight from my country table. It's an easy, no-bake dessert with a graham cracker crust, creamy filling, and cherry pie topping. It's old school, super simple, and perfect for summer cookouts or any occasion where you want a refreshing, sweet treat. Okay, so this was my first time making cherry delight, and it was super simple and easy. I was looking for a summertime no-bake dessert and came across this one from my country table. The weather was extremely hot when I filmed this review, with the heat index of 104 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius, so we were looking forward to a nice, cold, refreshing dessert. Before I get to the taste test, I want to talk briefly about the pan that I used. It's an 8-inch square baking pan that I lined with parchment paper. The reason I used that is because I thought it would lift out easy and make for a nice presentation. But that was a big mistake. It was a pain to get out of the pan because it was so soft. My wife and I both had to lift it out for it to stay together and look halfway decent. Next time, I'll just use a glass baking dish with nonstick spray, like was suggested in the recipe, and just cut out slices from the dish. Now on to the taste test. I let it sit in the refrigerator for 24 hours before doing this review. The first bite was heavenly. It was incredibly delicious and was nice and refreshing on such a hot day. I understand now why this is such a popular summertime dessert. It's light and fluffy and has just the right amount of sweetness. I love the balance between the sweet tartness of the cherry pie filling with the creaminess of the filling and the softness of the crust. Plus, it's also very versatile because you can use any pie filling that you like for the topping. Overall, this cherry delight hits every note. Creamy, sweet, old school, and just plain irresistible. I give it a full 1,000 stars, and if you're planning a summer get-together or just need a little pick-me-up, this is the dessert to try. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me something down in the comments below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.